The
Okay.
there we go. Which is the Jamaican
Okay.
almonds. The serum is from the. I don't have any with me right now, but the serum
The
is
serum,
from
yes, you
the.
do.
No, the seeds.
Oh.
Yeah, it's from the moringa seeds, which the moringa plant itself has 99.9% of all minerals and vitamins that the human body needs.
Okay.
It has all the essential amino acids that the body needs also. The seed is very high in vitamin C, and vitamin C boosts our skin collagen. The oil also helps with like blackheads, acne, that kind of stuff.
Tightens the skin.
Tightens the skin because
That's what I've noticed.
the
How it
collagen
tightens
effect.
the skin.
Yes, and that's from the vitamin C, because as I say, the plant has 99.9% of all minerals and vitamins that the body needs. But the seeds, you will find more of the minerals in the leaves, but the seeds, they have more of the vitamin C. And the vitamin C is what does that tightening effect in the skin. That's that collagen.
Okay. Now I went and see my nail tech on Thursday.
Yes.
No, what's today? Friday, on Wednesday. And he was asking me about my skin, and I was telling him, and he noticed it. And he asked me, as a matter of fact, could I give him information from you because he would like to put your products in his store.
Wow.
So, because he owns his own business, and